Hey, thanks for clicking this video. I really have an idea, and I've never heard anyone else talk about this in this way. Keep watching, it'll all make sense in the end. This video is about perception. I am Antoinette Bartley, and welcome to today's episode of Perception, Lesson 1. Let's first look up the definition of perception before I even get started. The ability to see, hear, or become aware of something through the senses. The state of being or process of becoming aware of something through the senses. A way of regarding, understanding, or interpreting something. A mental impression. Ooh. So that second bullet point is what I want to focus on when it comes to perception. A way of regarding, understanding, and interpreting something. A mental impression. Going through our day-to-day life, right? We have a visual, mental perception of people. What if I told you that you could alter how people perceive you? So, for instance, what if I said, hi, I'm a beauty influencer, and I'm going to teach you all about how to achieve this look? You would perceive me as a liar. You would click off this video immediately because you wouldn't care about what I'm saying because I do not look the part. If I look like this, let's do a little zhuzh of the hair. Right? Better. And I told you, hey girl. Today's video is all about how I achieved this look. You may start to believe me, but only when it comes to hair. I look like I might have a YouTube University degree in hair, and I look like maybe I could help you with your wig. Perception. Let's take it a step further, okay? Because this is all about how I'm presenting myself, whether I'm telling the truth or whether you perceive me as being somebody who can teach you something, right? I'm actually shooting a video right now about perception. Okay. Ooh, yeah. I actually have an opening January 5th at noon. Okay, yeah, and make sure you bring your certification of trustee, the original document signed and notarized by all trustees. Okay. Perfect. Yep. See you then. All right, bye-bye. Okay, where were we? Perception. Got it. So, if we're having a discussion about perception and how important it is, you guys just believed that I work in finance. And it's all because of my outfit. I think it's the glasses. Maybe it's the pearls. But all of a sudden, I have a degree and I'm a credible source. And you are going to trust me with your trust documents. Perception. Let's take it a step further, shall we? Hi, my name is Hillary. And I am a beauty influencer. And today, I'm going to teach you how I achieved this look. You would keep looking, you would keep watching because I look the part. What I'm trying to teach you guys is the key to manifestation is to never leave the illusion. If you are that girl, then be that girl. Never leave the delusion. There's someone in everybody's life who is that girl. To them, the best dressed, she's always put together, she's always on time, seemingly perfect, without any flaw. Moving forward in 2024, that girl is going to be you. And you're going to start by knowing your worth. If you don't know your worth, you suffer. You not knowing your worth doesn't benefit you. It's not cute to be out here humble and not knowing who you are. It breeds for people to take advantage of you and for people to mistreat you. People mistreat you because they don't believe you deserve the benefits of being beautiful. And if you don't utilize the benefits of your natural beauty, people will abuse you. People will treat you badly because they assume that everybody treats you so well. So they'll do the opposite to humble you, to bring you down a size. Being nice never really helped anyone. You can be a kind person to kind people. But to people who aren't kind to you, you're not going to be a people pleaser and wait for them to like you. People cannot like you for no reason at all. As soon as you understand that, as soon as you know your worth, and as soon as you show up as someone who knows their worth, you'll be unstoppable. Are you ready to be unstoppable? Here's the key. Never leave the delusion. If you are the best dressed person you know, you have to hold yourself to that standard. You get up and you get dressed. Not because you love clothes, not because you want to be the prettiest girl at the party. You get up and you get dressed because you have a mission. You're a secret agent and you have goals. And in order to get to those goals, you have to make sure people see you and perceive you as the person that you want to be. The person you are now. The only thing that's keeping you away from the person you want to be and the person you are now is your secret agent outfit. You are Barbie. Dress Barbie in the outfit for the occasion. My superpower is dressing appropriately for the occasion, and I'm going to help you guys do the same. I always thought that I was dressing appropriately because I love clothes, and I was dressing appropriately because it was super fun to me. Those things are true. But also, I've realized that I can really alter how people think of me. If I'm the main character and they're already thinking of me, right? I can really control and alter their thoughts. I can make them assume I have money. I'm financially responsible. I can make them assume that I'm happy, that my life is together, that I have plenty of time, that my life is full of abundance, and everything is good in the hood. Well, that was lesson 1. Knowing your power, knowing your worth, and knowing the power of a good outfit. Lesson 2 is coming soon. Like, comment, subscribe if you are ready for our next lesson. Ciao for now.